What's up, guys? It's Jake Feather Car Guy here with
Walker Paul Tenders. What's up, guys?
And Walker, what are we doing for him today?
So today, this is my 2012 Volkswagen Passat, and we are looking to replace the headlight in it. I just got the headlight that we need. So this is a Sylvania H7. We'll give you a close-up of that right there.
Ooh.
So I just got the basic one. This is the lower price option. Ran me about 20 bucks. And we're about to show you the process of taking out the old one and putting the new one back in. It's very simple. So you just open your hood, get behind the headlight here. The one I'm looking to replace is just your regular running headlight right here. So you take off your little rubber seal right here, keeps the moisture out, and then you grab the assembly and you twist it. Comes out like so, and we're just going to take this thing out. I think I haven't done this in a while, so I think you just slide it out like this. There you go. There's your old one. And we want to be careful when we're putting in our new one. Try hard not to touch the bulb itself with your fingers, because they have oils on it that can make the bulb burn out faster than it originally would.
Great pro tip. And this is part of a series we're going to be doing a few different little do-it-yourself things, be it with cars, other awesome DIY products or projects. But we just want to show you guys how to save a little money and how to take care of things yourselves, inform, educate, everything that is the Car Guy mission.
Flipping it back in here, like so. I'm not hearing it click or anything, but I guess it's all right.
Click that bit.
Alright, so we're just going to slide this back in here.
Get to sliding. Ooh, I heard a click there.
And we're going to throw this guy back on here.
Throw her on.
And we should be good to go. And I'm going to check it real quick to see, make sure we did it right.
Now for the test.
Alright, let's check it out.
Oh yeah, success.
We're looking right, and we're able to see at night, so it's great. Guys, we're going to be doing a lot more of these kind of fix-it, do-it-yourself videos on the Car Guys YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Today, this was Walker Paul Tenders with
Jake Feather Car Guy. Be sure to like and subscribe.
And comment your thoughts. Email us at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. Search us up at youtube.com/@realcarguys. Thanks for checking in with the Car Guys.
If there are other car hacks, do-it-yourself projects, whatever y'all want to see, we are happy to get to it. Shoot us an email at certifiedcarguys or comment below. And as always, smash that like button and subscribe. Burr, burr, burr.